Hello, everybody. Wish you all a very happy Christmas in advance. Today, it's the story of Christmas cake. Without Christmas cake, Christmas is not complete. In England, Christmas cake is a tradition that began as plum porridge. People ate the porridge on Christmas Eve, using it to line their stomachs after a day of fasting. Dried fruits, spices, honey, etc. were added in the porridge. This is commonly called Christmas pudding. According to custom, on the eve of Christmas, a rich porridge was cooked and eaten to line the stomach for the upcoming feast. It was made with oats, dried fruits, spices, honey, and sometimes meat. This can be called the grandfather of Christmas or plum cake. As years passed, ingredients differ. In 16th century, oats was replaced with flour, eggs, and butter were also added to the batter. It's not clear that how the cake got the name plum cake or plum pudding. At those times in England, most people referred raisins or currants as plums. Christmas cakes are made in many different ways. Seasonal dried fruits and spices were used in Christmas cakes. They can be light, dark, moist, dry, heavy, spongy, etc. Cakes are made in different shapes with frosting, glazing, plain or dusting sugar. All cakes are made in advance. Many of them are made in November and keeping them in airtight containers. A small amount of brandy, sherry or whiskey is poured into holes in the cake every week until Christmas. This is called feeding the cake. In United States, people give fruit cakes as gifts on Christmas days. In India, less than 3% of the population follows the Christian faith, and most Indians celebrate Christmas by baking a Christmas cake days before Christmas. The story of Christmas cakes in India starts way back in 1883 when a British planter in Talasheri, Murdoch Brown, asked the local baker, Mamballi Babu, to taste the rich plum cake he had brought from England. Brown explained the baking process and asked Babu to prepare a similar cake for him. Instead of using yeast, Babu used locally brewed liquor in his cake. He also added cashew apple and kadaliparam instead of French brandy. After eating that, Brown declared it was the best cake he had ever tasted. Today, we can see variety of cakes like carrot cake, dates cake, eggless cakes, alcohol-free cakes, vegan cakes, etc. Its ingredient varied from the taste and creativity of household ladies. Tutti frutti, soaked raisins, cashews, orange peels, pistas, etc. are widely used. Your comments are my motive. Hope you like this video. Like and share. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.